Hello there and welcome back to Techno Review. Today we're going to be tearing down this Nokia 2730 classic phone. Let's get into it. Okay, let's start taking the back cover first and then the battery. Okay, so there's two screws here. You can see one here and one here. Let's take it out with this tool kit. Okay. Okay, so these two screws are now out. Let's put it into the box container. Okay, do we just slide it off? Yeah. We just slide it off. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. So the whole front cover just came off. And the LCD, the slider screen is on the motherboard. Okay, so now there's two screws here. Okay, so I'll just zoom it up for you. So now you can see that the phone is now unscrewed with all the screws that came out. And let's just try to peel it off. Okay, so do we just push it out? Because I don't see any screws that's stuck on it. Let's just change it and use a flat-headed screw. Okay. So that's the USB the SIM card port. Is that the SIM card? Oh, that's the micro SD card. Okay. Yep, so this just comes off. Oh, okay. So you can see right here that the this is the connector adapter. We just have to carefully take that off. So that just comes right apart. And now this just comes right apart. Okay, so let's zoom back out. Okay, so this is the motherboard. I think we can take it out. Yep, I took it out. Okay, so I'll zoom more out. So this is the 2MP camera. Can I take that out? I don't think so. And this is the battery connector, you put the battery here. So that goes here, and it just attracts the battery to go that. This is the SIM card port for the SIM card here, but I took it out. And yeah, let's try to dig in and take that 2MP camera out. Okay, so I noticed that the camera is actually how do I say this? So you could see there's a border outside the camera, and that border is steel or metal, and that's connected to here. And I can't be stuff like taking this out because they'd have to weld it back in. So let's just stop to there. So this is the motherboard. These are all the brains for the phone. And let's put it back together and see if it works. Oh yeah, and this is the sound. It connects to here. like, yeah, there. So these two holes, the sound just like connects to there. Yeah, okay, so let's put it back. I think I broke the sound actually. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's put the motherboard back on. Okay, so I actually managed to push it back in like after 20 minutes, so I didn't record that because it would take a long time. And I forgot to push this in. Okay, this is gonna take a long time again. Why don't you fit in? Okay, so I pushed that in. Let's just push this back in too. And, okay. Okay, after a lot of pushes and shoves, I put it in, and let's put back the screws on. I'm gonna change my head first. Oops. Let's zoom in. And this is the first one. And the second. Oh, focus. Focus. Okay. Third one. And fourth one. The two screws are the back. Okay. Oh yeah. So before I do the back twos, I have to push this back in the front cover. Yep, that's solid. And now we put the screws on. And on the other side. Okay, so the moment of truth. Can this phone turn on normally after a teardown? Let's do this. Yes, it can. Yep, so the sound's working. Okay, so everything's working fine. You can see right here. So the phone did manage to survive the teardown test. So this phone is actually pretty good for a teardown. So yeah, so watch my other video right here and subscribe to my channel here and like and comment and like, I don't know, any way you like. And see you in the next video. Bye.